Welcome to the user guide on integrating Nova Poshta shipping services with your website. In this video, we'll walk you through the process of setting up and managing the Nova Poshta Shipping Module to streamline your shipping process and enhance the customer experience. After installing the module via the App Shop in your admin area, go to the Modules, Shipping, and Online tabs. Locate the Nova Poshta module and click on the Edit button to access its settings. In the Settings section, enable Nova Poshta Shipping to offer this option to your customers. Enter your Nova Poshta API key to connect your website with Nova Poshta services. Set shipping costs, choose delivery date rules, and disable specific days if necessary. Determine the order of shipping options displayed to customers. Lower values prioritize Nova Poshta. Select the desired Nova Poshta shipping method between warehouse to warehouse or warehouse to doors. Utilize the Nova Poshta URL for cargo tracking and enable tracking option for customers. In the restrictions section, customize Nova Poshta shipping based on your requirements. Limit shipping to specific customer groups, countries, or website pages. Define shipping module names in both backend and frontend. Enable or disable shipment tracking for customers. Click Update to save your customizations. Integrate Nova Poshta shipping services with your website today and provide a convenient shipping option for your customers. Subscribe and thank you for watching.